Everybody needs grace. Someone,
somewhere,
and somehow.
everybody needs grace.
Imagine a world without grace. Have you ever wondered?
What our lives would have been. Imperatively, chaos and destruction.
Grace helps define what we are today. Without it, we have been long lost.
Deep into the ocean or into the wilderness, we couldn't even imagine our lives without grace.
Grace is the higher understanding, the understanding of true love.
Even though one doesn't deserve love, grace demonstrates that true love.
Grace, most often it's been ignored. Most people think it's insignificant.
Doesn't have time to think about it, but we all exist because of grace.
Without grace, you cannot be safe. Without grace, you cannot survive.
without grace, you can really exist. Without grace, you can be who you are right now.
Grace can never be earned. One receives grace without deserving.
Grace is the perfect gift from above. Grace is the perfect gift from God.
Treasure every moment of life. Cherish it in every possible way.
No matter what comes with me.
Because you have received it by grace.
Let's learn to grace having received one.
So, be grateful for life and the grace you have received already, even though you didn't realize.
Stay humble, stay safe.